Welcome guys. So 2 days ago I made a video about how to get a free 10k profit account, and in the comment section I started having comments like this and this, and luckily, thank God for this one guy that actually followed instruction, passed the free trial and was able to get the free profit account, the 10k profit account. So I decided to take my time, and also I traded the free trial and I passed it. I also got the free 10k profit account. Now, for those who actually didn't see the first part of the video which I posted, just watch this video to the end. You'll see the option to watch it. And in the comment section, I'll be adding a link which will direct you to the site where you'll be able to claim it, because this offer is still available. Now, if you just see my video for the first time, don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like and share to others so that they can also benefit with you on how to make money online. Alright guys, proceeding with the video. For those who actually watch the first video and were able to claim the free trial, you have to trade to make a profit of $4,000. Now, I did that, and after that I came straight to their support, chatted them and told them I made profit, I've met the requirements, and they gave me an email where I'll send my login details, my password, and also my email too. So I clicked straight on the link on the email which directed me to my email, and I sent my login details, my password and my email to them. Now, after some while, I got this type of message in my email of them congratulating me, saying I've passed and they've given me the 10k free profit account. Now, back to the main site, where you see this aspect where you see active account. Like I said in the first video, the active account is where you see details of your trading account, which you take to empty for. Now, right here in active account, see like showing this part showing on your screen. You click on active account. The first thing you see at the top is the details of the 10k free profit account. Now, right here, this is the details which you copy to empty for. So I just clicked on copy and took these details to my MT4. And one important thing I noticed is that in the site, if you have to buy the 10k profit account, you will be needing $69.9, which is $70. And after passing it, after meeting the requirement, then you now have to split the profit again 80-20. So, but for this, if you just pass the free trial, instead of paying $70 to get the 10k profit account, you'll be getting the 10k profit account for free. All you just need is your trust that you pass the free trial and you are good to go. Now, showing on the screen is my own 10k free profit account, which I've gotten, and you need to be careful. Once you're able to get the profit account, you need to be very careful. The fact that you pass the free trial doesn't mean you will pass the 10k. You just have to be careful with the market. And the final part, for the requirement you need to meet on the 10k profit account, the profit target is just 8%, which is $800, and the maximum allowed loss is 10%, and that's $1,000. And the maximum daily loss, which is 5%, that's $500. Now, you know this, after trading and making profit of $800, the profit will be splitted 80-20, like I said in the first video. And you can click the link in my description to join the Telegram group, where you'll be getting free Forex signals to trade. And I'm sure with this little update, it must have added value to your Forex journey. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, like, share, turn on notification to always be the first to get updates anytime I drop video on how to make money online. Have a nice day, guys.